You have 5 seconds.
5 seconds?
Initiating 5 seconds.
This is Jason's new game, 5 Second Showdown.
That's not enough time.
You got 5 seconds.
So, Alexis, are you ready to go?
Ready.
See, that's the enthusiasm, Kenny, that we need from you. Okay.
Yes.
Whatever, dude.
Here we go, dude. First one, Lex.
Okay.
Name 3 activities you never tried.
Jet skiing. Oh, wait, I did try that.
Best answer ever. You won. Game over. Next segment.
She's so honest that she'll tell you that she's lying.
You cannot lie. It's true.
That's been 5 Second Showdown. Good night, everyone.
That was bad.
Oh, my goodness.
I've tried a lot of things. I was trying to think of, Okay. Wow.
And Kenny, per usual,
Nailed
I need you
it.
to be scorekeeper, please. Okay.
Yeah.
He's got a Sharpie ready, everybody.
Okay.
Yep.
Alexis does not
Do
get a
I
point
get
for
like
that.
it?
I repeat, Alexis does not.
It's so
We
fun
should
when you don't
actually
get it.
take away a point from Alexis for that answer.
The show
Dawn-
is delightful if you lose.
Now, when the question isn't being directed at you, do you answer it in your head anyway?
I try to, but then it's just like if I were, I try to.
I do
Yeah.
too. As hosting it,
But
I
it's
try to
different
answer.
when that timer's going and the pressure's on.
Oh,
Yeah.
No.
your mind goes
Okay.
blank.
All right,
Dawn.
let's see.
Dawn, here we go.
Okay.
Remember, jet ski is
naughty.
not an answer. That's right. Okay, here we go. Let me get the card. Name 3 words that start with H-O.
Hose, hopper, honk.
I don't know why you
had
needed to
to sound it
emphasize
out.
the
I had to
honk,
get
but
the
okay.
The rest of the word will come out.
Honk.
That's perfect.
And she starts with hose. That's my girl. She starts with hose. Okay.
Pantyhose or multnum.
Okay. Now Kenny can't complain. He's starting with an easy one. It just got it revealed to me. Here we go. Kenny, name 3 airline brands.
North Central, Northwest, United, and that's enough.
That's enough.
Yeah,
Yes, you got
Kenny.
it.
North Central Airlines.
I should have named Northwest, North Central, and Republic because my relatives, my people, all worked for those airlines.
Gotcha.
Oh!
Yes.
And Republic, before it was Northwest, was North Central. So there was a migration.
This is a perfect question for you.
Oh, wow. We're getting a fun fact mixed with 5 Second Showdown. I love it.
Does he get
Okay.
2 points for that?
No,
That was like
no.
a deep dive into.
I know.
Oh,
We
okay.
return
I'm
to
trying, Kenny.
professional jet skier Alexis Thompson. Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
Perfect
Okay,
for
all right.
her. Oh, this is going to be a diza. Well, maybe not. Here we go.
No.
Oh, don't do that to her brain.
Here we go.
Oh.
No, she should be good at this, and you'll find out right now why.
Okay.
Name 3 numbers that add up to 100.
3 numbers 50, 40, 10. Did I do that right?
Yeah.
3 numbers
yes.
that add up to 100.
Yeah, that.
Oh,
yeah.
50, 40, 10. Yeah, you got it.
I
Okay.
was trying to do like 50.
Oh,
You're right. I was like, I misinterpreted.
Well, I did too. I thought it was going to be 50 and 50,
Me
4
too, John.
25s.
yeah.
That's Alexis. I was making fun of Alexis. She actually got it right.
Oh,
Okay.
God, it's great.
Oh, God, we're dumb. Okay.
Oh, all
We
right.
are.
Look at this. We're all tied.
Tied
Here I
right
go.
now.
Uh-oh.
Okay, we're playing 5 Second Showdown. Here we go. It goes to Dawn McLean. Dawn, name 3 objects that start with the letter A.
Apple, ant, angry.
No, I'm sorry, Dawn. You don't get a point.
I mean, come on.
so easy.
Angry is not an acceptable answer, Dawn. Hey, Dawn has been drawing out her answers today. Have you guys noticed?
Well, yeah, it's been letters for me.
Honk.
I'm trying to find that last answer.
Okay, goes to Kenny now.
Oh,
Kenny, name 3 ways to make your partner cry.
Hit her, slap her, lie to her, cheat on her, sell her car out from under her, make her sleep in the porch, don't come home at night.
you
Time
got
up
the
yet?
point.
You got it, Kenny. You got it. Oh,
Hit her,
oh my-
slap.
What is this? The 40s? Okay.
It's Punching Judy over there.
He got it.
He
You got
sure
it. Okay.
did.
Let's do one more round. Let's get through one
Okay.
more
Oh,
round. We can
okay,
do this.
okay,
We can
okay.
do this. We can do this. Alexis, name 3 things that turn you off sexually.
Stinky feet, stinky breath, stinky sheets.
She got that in 1.5 seconds.
She didn't even breathe.
This is something she thinks about a lot.
I'll take a shower and do some laundry. Oh boy.
Wow, Lex. Okay, Dawn,
Oh.
name 3 toys that use batteries.
Light Bright. Game Boy Advance.
Yes, you got it.
Well, congratulations, Don, for not thinking of the toys I was thinking of.
Me too. Me too. I was waiting for her to go into the goop sex toy
yeah,
library.
I
I
did.
did not go there.
You are pure of heart.
Yes. Okay, Kenny's the last one. Here we go. Kenny, name 3 meals containing potatoes.
Au gratin, baked, and mashed.
Okay, I don't know.
Yeah,
That's not the meal, but
No,
okay.
you can just eat them right.
You
You
can
could
just
just-
eat. Yeah, you can.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a meal.
Okay. There we go, everyone. Kenny, who's the winner today?
Kenny.
It's Kenny!
Bravo, Kenny.
Yes! Bravo, Kenny.
That doesn't change the fact that I hate this game. I even get anxiety when I'm not being asked.
Oh. And
Jeez.
It's that
and
countdown.
it doesn't change the fact that I love this more than anything. Yes.
Hey girl, hey! Thanks for watching our video.
And hey, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like or subscribe button, I'll buy you a cup of coffee and charge it to my boss.